in ChatGPT, go ahead first and find the book that you are going to be studying from. So we're going to use this example called Concepts of Biology. We're going to come in here and let's just say provide me a list of 10 questions on the book Concepts of Biology. And just to make sure that we do have the correct book, we're going to go ahead and copy the contributors here as well. Go back to ChatGPT, paste this in here just to try to give ChatGPT more information about the book, just to make sure it has the correct one. So again, let's come back in here and say provide me a list of 10 questions on the book Concepts of Biology. These are the contributors, and let's just say for chapter 1. Now ChatGPT will go on, it will find a copy of the book online, and based on chapter 1 and the criteria for chapter 1, it will list all the questions here that you can use as a study guide. Now, if you do have ChatGPT Plus like myself, and you do have a PDF copy, rather than asking ChatGPT to list just listing the book here, you can click on this plus arrow, click on add photos and files, and you can upload a copy of the book to give ChatGPT as a reference, and then you could use that as a study guide. You can have it ask you questions to study based on chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, etc. And again, this is your list here, so then you can obviously use this as a study guide. So hope this helps. Stay tuned for more videos.